So we're just about to do the giveaway for the Pulsiod, and as you can see, we tallied all the entries, and we got 323 entries in total. And as you can see, we have some people here who are our witnesses. And as you can see, we also have our 323 entries up here, which we can all see. Hopefully you can see. A little zoom. 323. Everybody's in. Now, it was stated at the start of this that if your name gets drawn out twice, you do not win twice, you can only win once. I'm saying that at the beginning, and I'll say it again, if someone's name does come out twice, it's the prize is a heart rate monitor and a 1-year bro plan, which I will discuss with you privately, and we'll send your details over to Pulsiod, who sponsored this, and I want to thank them for that. So what we're going to do, we're going to you've always got to shuffle. We're going to shuffle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to press spin. And our first winner is Dizen. I probably butchered that. Let me write that down. Who joined Cat Stream. They were in a few streams, I believe. So nice to see them win. We're just going to remove that one as well. And now we're going to spin again for winner number 2. Oh my God. 300 people. 300 names. Okay, as it was stated, people cannot win twice. Let me remove and spin. Dragon Writer Look. Let me write that right down. Why does your pen always break when you're writing shit down? I mean, it's not a break when you're not writing shit down, but who joined Flare Stream? Black Vixen, who joined Marcus's stream, has also won. GG's. So this is window number 4 now. We're looking for. Oxyzone, who joined from Nutty Stream, has won. And Richie _M_ has won as well. _M_ from joining. So our 5 winners, just to confirm, were Dizen, Dragon Rider Luck, Black Vixen, Oxyzone, and Richie M. Congrats to all the winners. Thank you for everyone who joined. As you can see, we've got some congrats coming in for people. Yep, obviously we didn't expect the duplication, but we did state at the beginning that duplication was going to be what the duplication was. If it did happen, it did actually happen. But yeah, there you go. Thank you everybody who joined. Thank you for everyone who participated in the raid train, even from the streamers to the people who watched and chatted and got involved and all that. Big thank you for everyone, and a big thank you to Pulsiod who sponsored the stream. And finish off by saying happy birthday to StreamerBot, and thank you to Nate for bringing this community together with such an awesome tool. Thank you very much, and hopefully we'll see you again in a year.